incredible. Blue sky jets, what more could anybody want?
The California Capitol Air Show sold out this weekend with 50,000 in attendance yesterday, and even more were expected to attend today.
It is bigger crowds than we've ever seen.
Aside from the record number of people to this year's air show and all the planes that you will see, something new, the Blue Angels. Our Fox 40 morning show anchor Melanie Townsend had the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity this past week to fly with the Blue Angels when they prepared for the weekend's shows.
Still flying.
The Blue Angels were the reason why many enthusiasts came out today, like this couple did for their 7-year-old grandson.
My grandchild, you know, he wants to be a Blue Angels pilot, so we gotta support him in every which way we can.
And this Lodi dad.
My son, he wanted to come see the Blue Angels.
How long have you liked the Blue Angels?
For like 7 to 8 years now.
How old are you?
Turning 10 this year.
So you've liked them for a really long time. Have you guys seen them? Have you seen them before? The air show was especially meaningful for those proudly wearing the uniform serving our country, and timely with the armed forces celebrating a big anniversary.
250 years, very long time, and for the people before us, and now they represent it very well, and that's what we try to do the same way.
It's all thanks and glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. It's just an absolutely amazing experience being in the Navy. I mean, you get to go travel the world and meet friends, meet strangers you could call family by the end of the day.
Thank everybody that came out to support us.
At Mather, covering local news that matters, Rowena Shaddix, Fox 40 News.